Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create account in Crunchyroll. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Go to the Google Play Store on your Android device, search for Crunchyroll, and download the official Crunchyroll app and install it on your device. Now go ahead and tap on the Crunchyroll app to open it. If you don't have a Crunchyroll account, tap on the sign up or join free for 14 days button. This option is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Choose the membership plan that suits you. Crunchyroll offers free premium plans. Premium plans come with additional features and are ad-free. Enter your email address and create a secure password for your Crunchyroll account. Sometimes you might need to complete a captcha to verify that you are not a robot. And you might have the option to complete your profile information. This step is usually optional. If required, Crunchyroll might send a verification email to the address you provided. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is set up and verified, if necessary, you can start using the Crunchyroll app to watch anime and other content on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.